Hello everyone. Since our last Cedar release, we've packed in a lot of new features. Let's dive right in, starting with the interface builder. First up, we've significantly streamlined the process of adding a project from a Git repository. It's now much faster and happens entirely on a single screen without any navigation. As you can see, you just fill in your project details, repository URL, and credentials. After selecting your branch, you can create the project instantly. The whole process now takes only about 10 to 15 seconds, and your new project is ready to go. Next, let's look at the code editor. We've made our Intellisense even smarter. For example, when using the API Open Page function, the autocomplete suggestions are now intelligently filtered to show only page widgets. In contrast, for a function like API Force Refresh, it will correctly list all available widgets. This context-aware assistance helps you write code faster and with fewer errors. To help you understand your application structure, you can now trace where system variables are used. Just hold down the Control key and click on any system variable. A repository usage pop-up will appear showing every page and widget that references it. Clicking on an entry will take you directly to that location in the code. Working with skins is now more convenient. When you select a widget, the skin editor will initially show only the skin currently applied. If you need to see all available options, you can simply use the toggle to view the complete list of skins. We've added another way to create widgets. In addition to just pressing enter, you can now right-click in the widget tree and use the Create New Widget option from the context menu to add components. Refactoring your code is easier with the new Move to Reusable feature. Simply right-click any widget and select this option. A dialog will appear, allowing you to create a new reusable component instantly. You can even perform search and replace operations or add prefixes and suffixes during the move. The file tree has also received some updates. Independent CSS files are now visible by default. To keep the view clean, we've grouped all other framework CSS files into a collapsible All CSS Files section. You can also now delete pages, scripts, and other files directly from the file tree's context menu. For our Python developers, the editor now includes indent guides for better code readability. We've also integrated a new Tips and Help section, providing basic tutorials and guidance right within the interface. Now let's switch over to the Model Maker. In the Process Editor, we've improved syntax highlighting and Intellisense. Function names are now case-insensitive, so you can write them however you prefer, and they will be recognized correctly, making your script easier to write and read. The view has several new quality-of-life improvements. When you select a range of cells, the status bar in the bottom right corner now instantly displays the sum, average, and count of the selected values. A powerful new feature is trace calculation. You can right-click a calculated cell and trace its precedence to see a breakdown of how the value was computed, making it easy to debug and understand your models. We've also added highlighting for the active row and column headers, which follows your cell selection to help you keep your place in large datasets. Just like in the Interface Builder, you'll also find helpful tutorials in the Model Maker's Tips and Help section to get you started. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy these new updates.